New upgrades for the 2025 Ducati Monster. Let's kick things off with the bar end mirrors. Precision CNC machined from high-grade aluminum and available in 3 sleek minimalist styles, fully ECE certified. They integrate seamlessly with the Monster's lines, offering a clean, modern, and aggressive appearance. Next, our Club Sport brake and clutch levers. Ergonomically optimized, fully adjustable, and available in long or short variants. Foldable to minimize breakage risk in case of a fall, and equipped with customizable adjuster wheels in multiple colors. ABE certified for road use, these levers are the perfect fusion of function and style. Moving to the rear, the short license plate holder sharpens the bike's tail for a more compact and aggressive profile. For the finer details, a CNC machined oil filler cap with a pre-drilled hole for safety wire, plus brake fluid reservoir covers that not only upgrade the look, but improve sealing and durability over the OEM parts. Upgrade your Monster with components made to perform and crafted to stand out. Precision engineered by MG Biketec.